In part 1, we exposed the anatomy of scams. In part 2, we showed how scams wreck lives. Today in part 3, we'll go deeper, real cases, global lessons, and the future of fraud prevention. Stay tuned because this one will hit different. And as always, smash like if you value your digital safety. Case 1, an Indian e-wallet scam. Victim downloads a fake instant loan app. Permissions granted, contacts stolen, blackmail begins. Within 24 hours, Rs50,000 lost, family humiliated with edited photos. The loophole? Play Store screening gaps plus weak user awareness. Lesson: never download finance apps outside official verified sources. Case 2, a U.S. payroll hijack. A phishing email tricks HR into updating bank details. Salary of 200 employees diverted to mules. The loophole? No dual approval for payroll changes. Lesson: one wrong email, entire workforce impacted. Case 3, Europe's card skimming mafia. ATMs fitted with devices, data cloned, sold on dark web. Loophole: outdated magnetic stripe still accepted. Lesson: chip and PIN adoption must be universal. Case 4, Jamaica's infamous lottery scam. Victims told they've won millions but must pay fees first. Entire pensions drained. Lesson: if you didn't play, you didn't win. So what's next? Fraud is evolving, but so are defenses. AI-driven anomaly detection predicts scam before it strikes. ISO 20022 standard tightening transaction messages. Device binding, plus biometrics for all risky actions. Behavioral analytics. Your typing speed becomes your password. CBDCs may reduce fraud by removing intermediaries but raise new privacy questions. Global trend. Security must be default, not optional. Behind every statistic is a person, a mother losing school fees, a retiree losing peace of mind, a worker losing salary. Scams don't just drain money, they drain dignity. That's why awareness is non-negotiable. Now it's your turn. Engage with this. Press A if you've ever faced a phishing attempt. Press B if a fraudster has directly targeted your family. Press C if you want us to cover a specific scam next. Your comments fuel this community. Together we block the loopholes before criminals do. This was part 3 of our Scam Deep Dive series. If you missed parts 1 and 2, check the links in description. Stay sharp, stay safe, and subscribe for the next expose.